Today we took some 15 European ambassadors and representatives to the northern border of Israel with 5 civilian helicopters. They saw how narrow Israel is when on one side they can see the Mediterranean, on the other side they can see already the Palestinian territories.
There were 6 tunnels that crossed the blue line and were cut off by Israel. There are other tunnels that Hezbollah started digging elsewhere.
I was deeply shocked when I was told that it cost $5 million per tunnel.
You hear very clearly from the IDF the threat that it posed. So if fighters had come through those tunnels, they could have done horrendous harm to innocent people.
Well, this was an interesting trip today because it shows the complexity of the northern border and the security situation.
I had the opportunity to learn things that I didn't know before from the briefings that I had from IDF officers.
Very important part of our job is to report from the field, so now we can have a full picture of the happenings on the ground. So we are very grateful to ELNET for this trip. It has been organized in a very professional, excellent manner.